go. Overset some stuff there. This is Mail Boss 12 disc wafer lock. I took the back off just so it would fit better in the vise, because the vise kept pinching the tailpiece. It's nothing special. It doesn't affect picking. And as you can see, supposedly there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. However, I can't really move these two. And I don't know if they're just supposed to be like zero lift or what. But I don't 2, 4, 6. Yeah, I only see 10 actually moving. That goes all the way there. So, I mean, it looks like they ought to, but I don't know. Anyway, it's just a little hard to feel. Some of it, a little hard to maneuver because there's really a lot going on in there, and you have to use, you know, like a dust cover, tension wrench. Click, 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 clickety, click. Can we see in here? You can see these sides. Yeah, the side doodles there. You can see those moving up and down, and they're engaged by, I think, this track. And then this top engages some nubs over on this side. And there's a little noodle here that fits into this slot, which prevents it from moving more than 90 degrees. So if you don't line it up right, it won't go anywhere. So, or maybe it just goes backwards. Oh, nope, that's right. So that won't go anywhere, and then you go that way, and there it is. So anyway, there's your Mailbox 12 disc wafer lock. There it is.